The much publicized Gaza-led 31 March demonstrations against President Mnangagwa failed to garner traction beyond the sporadic demonstrations by scores of citizens restricted to downtown Harare. Sandapina mashoko aiwa anoonekwa kuti panapa mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe aiwa all is not well ari pama1 just because he's being attacked from all the corners, from all the dimensions. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Panapa tipinda mshinzi, is the president still okay? At best, it became a stay away in major cities. The citizens opted to play itself by avoiding town. Just a day after they stay away, Yeza called off the protest and insisted reviewed a new plan, that of moving a motion to impeach Mnangagwa. Yeza also made sensational claims that President Mnangagwa's mental capacities are compromised and that he is suffering from vascular dementia. He further hinted that those around the president are aware of the predicament and have been exploiting it and pushing him to sign corrupt deals to their benefit. Yeza claims that Mnangagwa's close family members, in particular his wife and his son, children, and ZANU-PF-linked businessmen have been at the center of the misleading the president. Though Geza's claims are yet to be substantiated, there have been rumors, incidences, which raises serious concerns about the president's state of connectedness to his surroundings. In fact, his public conduct on numerous occasions has been off-kilter. For instance, while addressing journalists at the State House in February this year, he seemed unaware that the national football team has been playing home matches in South Africa because the country does not have internationally approved football facilities. Domashkar kuno kwa kunza aiwa pangwa ino mutungamiri wenyika aiwa inyaswa konde his state pangwa ino inyaswa kuti his leadership pamwe president wake aiwa huri pa crossroads chete ne vascular dementia ilikono kwa kunzi yava ne long time ichiutiliziwa nevanhu vari in mnangagwaZim zinori padhuze naye tudze mafukuro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuna comment section medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.